Alfonso, and today I'm going to explain the different organs of the speech. The different organs of the speech are divided in two different categories, which are the major organ of the speech, these organs right here, and then we have the articulators, these organs right here. Let's start for the major organs of the speech. There we have the diaphragm that is located right below the lungs. It is the major muscle of respiration, and it contracts rhythmically, continuously, and involuntarily. Right on the diaphragm, we have the lungs. They are situated in the rib cage, and they provide the source of energy for the airflow. They contrast and expand when we breathe in and out. Then right here we have the trachea, also known as windpipe. It goes from the larynx located right here to the lungs. And on the larynx, there are the vocal cords that are this part right here. They are two elastic tissues, and between them we find the glottis. That is between the vocal cords. Then we have the trachea, that is right here. Then we have these organs right here. They are divided in two different categories, which are fixed articulators and movable articulators. The fixed articulators are those that cannot move, and the movable are those that we can move. For example, the hard palate that is located right here is a fixed articulator because we cannot move it when we are speaking. But then we have the soft palate right here, also called velum. This is a movable articulator because we can move it. Then we have the tongue right here, which is one of the most important parts for the speech sounds, for the production of speech sounds. The tongue is divided in three, and we have the tip of the tongue right here, the tip of the tongue, the blade of the tongue, and the back of the tongue. These three different parts help us to produce different kind of sounds. For example, the tip of the tongue help us to pronounce the TH sounds in English. For example, when we pronounce the word 30, we have to put the tip of our tongue between our teeth to pronounce this sound. And we also have the alveolar ridge right here, and we have our teeth that are this part right here, and our lips. Our lips also help us to pronounce different type of sounds. In conclusion, the organs of the speech are very important because with them we can produce the speech sounds. Here we have the different organs of the speech: the diaphragm, the lungs right here, the trachea right here. We have the larynx that contains the vocal cords, and the vocal cords that contain the glottis. We have the tongue right here divided in three, the tip of the tongue, the blade of the tongue, and the back of the tongue. We have the teeth right here, and our lips. We have the alveolar ridge, our oral cavity that are located in our mouth, the nasal cavity, and in which we have the hard palate, the soft palate or velum. We also have right here the pharynx, and there is a small part right here called epiglottis. That is everything. Thank you for your attention.